Hello and welcome. I'm going to show you how to export video files in Olive. Some people call it render, some people call it upload or download, which is completely wrong. But what we're going to do is we're going to see how to export videos. Let's imagine you made a project, you imported a video file, you dragged it to the timeline, you made some cuts, you removed some parts, you moved some stuff around, maybe you added a transition of sorts. And let's imagine you want to export it to a new video file, because if you go to File, Save Project, this will save a .ove file, and that is not a video file. You can tell because it's only 4 kilobytes in size, and if you open it with Notepad you can see it's an XML file. This is not a video file, don't upload this to YouTube or something. Instead you have to render it, which is a slow process. You have to go to File, Export, or you can press Ctrl M on your keyboard. Don't export yet, because the quality setting CRF is set to a bad value. You can set between 0 to 51, and we're going to now export at different quality values so you can see which quality settings you should use. So at a CRF of 36, the default, it takes 8 seconds to export. At a CRF of 15, this takes 19 seconds to export. At a CRF of 5, this takes 26 seconds to export. At a CRF of 0, so lossless, this takes 23 seconds to export. And the lowest setting, 51, takes 7.5 seconds to export. So I just rendered 5 files, and the number indicates which quality setting I used. A higher number means lower quality. Check this out, 51 is 67 kilobytes, that's tiny. And 0 is 210 megabytes. That's huge for a 12 seconds video. Let's take a look. We're gonna start with the worst video, and that is it. This is 51 quality setting, and oh my goodness, this is a delight to see, but the quality is horrid, of course. Next up we have 36, which is the default value, and especially in the transition you can see how bad it is. So do not use the default 36 quality setting. This is a setting of 15, and that's what I prefer currently. The crossfade transition looked perfectly fine to me, so this is good. This is the setting of 5, and I don't see a difference anymore compared to 15. So in my opinion, you don't need to go lower than 15. Here we have the 0 quality setting render, and again, I don't think there's any need to go below 15. This is exactly the same to my eyes. So personally, I would suggest you use 15. The official recommendation, judging from this tooltip, is 17 or 18, so you might be fine with that as well. Maybe even 23 is enough, but I'll just roll with 15 for now. You probably noticed that it exports the entire sequence when you hit that export button. You can also set in and out using the I and O key, and then when you press Ctrl M and use in to out here, then you will export just that range. So this will be short, and if you look at this is only 7 seconds instead of the usual 12. Subscribe to this channel, give this video a like, and check out my other Olive video editor tutorials to get better at video editing. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!